Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can make a sliding image gallery on Wix.com. So first, scroll down and let's edit our site here. Wait for it to load. After it loaded, just go onto the plus icon on the left hand side, add elements. On add elements, go down and then click on gallery. On gallery, click on slider galleries. On slider galleries, there's a couple here you can pick from, like something like this or something like this, something like this. I usually go with this one though, slider. I usually go with this one since it's more manual. But you go here. If you want to change the picture, just hover over it and then there'll be a button that comes up here, change images. Just click on that, change images. Now, these are the preset images. You can just delete these because it has nothing to do with your site. Just delete all of them. After that, you can press on add images here to add your own custom images. Wait for it to load and you can upload the media here. Upload media. And in here, you can import from Drive or from Photos, whichever you'd like, or you can upload it from your computer yourself. I'm going to upload from computer. I'm going to show all files. I'm going to go to documents, for example. I'm gonna go on to, hold on. For example, I'm going to upload these 3 PNGs. I'm gonna press open. And these all are random pictures I just picked. If you want to upload them, just click on this and then click on add to gallery. And now that's your picture added to your gallery. I'm going to add another one. For example, it's this one, add to gallery, done. And now you have a little gallery you have a little slider gallery that you can use to preview products or anything you like.